Manipur joins in observing World AIDS Day. Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah urges everyone to get HIV status checked. Deplorable Imphal Yaripok Road brings inconveniences to residents. Irate locals block the road indefinitely until repaired. MMTA lambast government for not constructing proper routes to Zuko Valley despite repeated plays since 1985. 8 jailed trekkers released yesterday. Manipur People's Party declares two failed candidates in both parliamentary constituencies in the upcoming 2019 Lok Sabha election. Veteran politician Okram Joy announces comeback, all set to join Congress party on December 3. And a mysterious killing of domesticated fowls by unidentified predator continues. Latest hunting spree spotted at Kwaketil and Khabam Lamkai. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipur joined the globe in observing World AIDS Day on the theme Know Your Status today. Manipur State AIDS Control Society, MACS, organized the state-level observance at First Manipur Rifles ground. Speaking in the event, Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah urged each and everyone to undergo an HIV test and take up the responsibility of building a healthy society. Stating that the number of HIV-positive people in Manipur has decreased as compared to last year, the governor expressed a desire to conduct awareness programs in thrust areas to stop stigmatization and discrimination of people living with HIV in the state. She urged the government, relevant NGOs and public to jointly put in efforts for the same. The governor also led members of MACS and its associated NGOs in pledging a 6-point declaration, including target to free the state from HIV infection and to stop stigmatization and discrimination against people living with HIV by 2024.
That the state government has already framed the state AIDS policy of Manipur. I am informed that the state of Manipur was the first and the only state in India to have a state AIDS policy as early as 19. It is the responsibility of the society at large, particularly women, to have greater involvement in the fight against HIV and AIDS to safeguard the future of Manipur. HIV testing is the must for expanding treatment and ensuring that all people living with HIV can live a healthy and productive life.
Attending the event, Chief Minister Nongthungpam Biren warned concerned government employees to surrender illegal possession of government scheme cards meant for below poverty line families to relevant DCs and SDOs. The Chief Minister lamented that due to lack of sincerity and transparency in executing works over the past many years, 36% of the state's population still belongs to BPL families. Asserting that the present government has covered 2,300 villages out of the total 2,667 villages in the state under its Go to Village mission, Chief Minister Nongthungpam Biren assured to cover the remaining villages by April next year. Biren urged those living with HIV to live with dignity and also appealed for public cooperation in eradicating HIV from the society. Winners of various events organized by MACS in relation to controlling of HIV/AIDS were felicitated on the occasion.
Bharat Sarkar na piri ba criteria du bi wang mada isa gi card pai ba khot pa yaw bi daga lai ra sing the pi ga da bu ai na pai ba ora ga di madu surrender to bi ho maram di lai ra ba mayam ma sa ba phang da ba phiset ba phang da ba yum lai ba phang da ba yaw ri ba kali gumba naspa ektu gi matung ila koi na action lo ra ga di card pai ran ni ba government gi employee su thabak su tat kani GL da su dai doi ni AIDS na soe haidana nare haidana ekoi wakal haningai ka sulai te hujiti ano medicine medical gi mayama ma lakna hujik santo handaba ngame mirol budangang da so handaba ngame adagi RT sa phajana sar kana do mi chap manaba ekoi gi leiriba normal person lama ka samana na hingma ngame gender bias leibagi maungda lupi sabi gi ni aduni agale na lakna ba khonna ba
District AIDS Prevention and Control Unit Imphal East PHC Hengang and Ahana Project Imphal East also joined in observing World AIDS Day. The day was observed at Hanaba Ching Community Hall near Hengang Primary Health Center. Speaking in the event, Imphal East District AIDS Control Officer Dr. N. Romila said that the day was observed in remembrance of those who succumbed to AIDS and also to eradicate AIDS. District AIDS Prevention and Control Committee, DAPCC, NCPI, Ahana Project Manipur, Thoubal District also joined in observing 31st World AIDS Day today. The day was observed at Slopeland Public School in Khongjom. DC Thoubal Haubam Roshita flagged off a public rally in connection with the day. A district-level quiz competition was also organized and winners were felicitated with certificate and cash award in the event. The theme Know Your Status was also observed in Indo-Myanmar border town of Moree today. Non-governmental organizations working for HIV/AIDS related issues, namely DPUB, OSOM, New Generation and OSD, jointly organized the observance this morning at 8. A rally was also flagged off from OSOM office in Moree Ward number 7 till Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 2. Additional Superintendent of Police K. Robinson and Subdivisional Police Officer Sandeep Gopal Das also joined the rally, followed by a red ribbon campaign. Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Bishnupur organized a pace-setting program on educational motivation on parents and students in connection with World AIDS Day today. Parents of students from classes 6 to 12 attended the program. Speaking on the occasion, social scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laishram urged parents not to pressurize their children. He also encouraged them to nurture their children to have vision for social welfare instead of mere fulfillment of one's selfish ends. Irate residents of Kairao, Langdum, Wangkhem, Kanarok, Sanam Sandrog, Yaifarok, Marin, Punal Maring, Kapur Sungba have blocked Imphal Yaripok Road indefinitely against non-maintenance of the road today. Villagers piled up logs and burnt tires on the road from Irilbung Thongkhong till Ngarian Chingthak since early this morning. Vehicular movement was restricted strictly on the road except for medical emergency, religious rituals and other essential services. Scuffles erupted as police team led by additional SP LO AG Sharma and additional SP Operation M Kumarjit tried to stop the residents from blocking the road. A protester, CH Somananda, intimated Impact News that government has neglected Imphal Yaripok Road for many years, leaving the road to a pathetic condition, especially from Irulbung Thongkhong to Ngarian Jingkhong. He lamented that the government took no measures except for filling up some potholes as and when locals agitate. Somananda mentioned that locals even demanded to block the road if it is not repaired within November 30, as promised earlier by Chief Minister N. Biren and Works Minister Thongam Biswajit. The protester maintained that locals decided to block the road indefinitely until it is repaired.
Mamangda Honorable Chief Minister na amadi ekoi Work Minister na ekoi maigei somda lakpa matamda phangsal kaya da hariba lambi se athuba matamda semani haibagi thajaba commitment am kaya amadi thambiramabani adubu hariba commitment sing ado ngasi phawda thabak oina onthoraktabadagi asidagi hauraga kaujariba bal asi maigei somda taminariba ekoi mayam pumnamak sina bal asi kaujabani adubu ngasi dagi haurakanda ekoi laigakna karigumba miyeng amata changbi daba taragadi ekoi hariba bal ase laigakna miyeng changdriba phawba haibadi lambi asi sembidriba phawba bal ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯆꯠꯊꯖꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯍꯣꯜ ꯃꯦꯜꯂꯒ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯀꯣꯏꯂꯥꯁ ꯊꯥꯗꯔꯝꯃꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯎꯠ ꯆꯥꯏꯔꯝꯃꯒ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯁꯨꯡꯌꯥ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯁꯤ ꯅꯤꯌꯣꯝ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯂꯝꯕꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯅꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯉꯥꯛꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯦꯝꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯥ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯊꯝꯖꯩ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ Honorable Chief Ministerna
It may be mentioned that repair of Imphal-Yaripok Road was not undertaken even after the road was upgraded to a national highway due to lack of official intimation from the centre. On the other hand, Works Minister Thongam Biswajit is short of repairing the road within a week during a reception program held for Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren at Thambal New Market in Andhra constituency on November 14.
Imphal Yaripok Road Kongbagi akhoi bazar dagi kari kari sembadi khara hawrabani adubu akhoi ngasi Honorable Chief Minister nasu akhoi yam initiative laina akhoi highway rakpadan manam morga chako matung da contractor ama thiraga wa order pi dabagi lawgesu lawjara sanu Congress party na niyom thigesu thijara sanu akhoi di malna lawrsu moina targa praja jingi nuaina batorge haidana akhoi ngasi dagina numit hapta amugi manungda lambi je soina maki Honorable Chief Minister ki mamangda praja miyang mamangda punamaki mamangda semba hawanjarge haidana ailang tukara
Town Action Committee in a press release has also indefinitely blocked Imphal to Mapau Dam Road from the midnight of December 2 against failure to repair the road by relevant authority despite repeated pleas. Functioning of the incomplete integrated checkpost of Moreh, which was to be inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his visit in Manipur last March, is a big humiliation for India. The deplorable condition of the road in Moreh town has become a laughingstock for tourists. An exclusive report in this regard from Impact News Moreh correspondent Lairen Lakpa Lucky.
Manual checking of passenger luggage due to lack of appropriate equipments at Immigration and Customs Passenger Terminal building of Moreh Integrated Checkpost constructed under Land Port Authority of India has caused major inconvenience to tourists. Customs staffs acknowledge the discomfort felt by the tourists during manual checking of their luggage but express helplessness as Land Port Authority of India has not provided them any kind of body or luggage scanner. Meanwhile, ICP immigration staffs are manually registering entries at the lack of computer and other machines. Such inconveniences are not faced at the checkpoint in Myanmar as the neighboring country is well equipped with the necessary tools. It is baffling that the ICP, constructed at an estimated cost of around 100 crore rupees, lacks equipments while checking point of Myanmar, constructed at around 5 to 10 lakh rupees, has all the necessary equipments. On the other hand, black toppings of the road from Indo-Myanmar Friendship Bridge to the ICP done last March to make it in time for the inaugural of the ICP has started wearing out in just 9 months. It may be mentioned that the 160 km stretch of Indo-Myanmar Friendship Road from Friendship Bridge to Kalewa blacktop by BRTF under BRO in 2001 is still in a good condition. It is yet again baffling that the Indian government has sanctioned funds to repair 69 bridges and many roads of Myanmar even before repairing the 4 deplorable bridges along Imphal-Moreh Road. With Impact News Moreh correspondent Lairen Lakpam Lucky, this is Ketramayum Premsan, Impact News, Imphal.
President of Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association MMTA Kakching Tabam Bijoy has lambasted the state government over the lack of proper route to reach Zuko Valley, despite 2/3 of the valley belonging to Manipur. Urging the government to carve a proper route for reaching the valley and a proper rest house, Kakching Tabam Bijoy asserted that expedition to the valley will never cease upon alleged on 8 trekkers of MMTA of starting wildfire in the valley. Bijoy lamented that despite MMTA's repeated pleas to the government since 1985 to construct roadway to Zuko Valley, no actions are taken till date. He mentioned that 1/3 of the valley belonging to Nagaland has been developed with proper roadway and rest houses, including facility for helipad service to attract more tourists. Speaking to media at MMTA office in Hatta today, the MMTA president intimated that the 8 MMTA trekkers on trekking expedition to the valley as part of Sangai festival were apprehended by certain Angami youth organization and later jailed by the Nagaland police on allegations of starting wildfires in the valley on November 26. Bijoy intimated that the 8 jailed trekkers were released yesterday after court granted them bail. Bijoy also informed that FIR filed against them were dropped upon reaching an understanding with the Nagaland State Chief Secretary. He urged the government not to let such incidents occur again in future. MMTA lauded PHED Minister Losi Dikko and representatives of various civil society organizations for their great efforts in releasing the 8 trekkers.
Adventure sports asi promote tawna hotna bada lawjari ba thodang asida miyamna thajabidana trekker nipan si phagi bada Manipur gi miyamna even United Committee Manipur na UCM na kaina masi thadu ko haibra chingba mayam haibira pase adugi dangta su MMT gi maikaidagi thagasaba amasung nungai phonukchari aduna mathangdadi ekoi Athu matamda Manipur Sakarna lambi sembiu haijabasi ga loinana mathangda akoina juko gi trekking se koi leptana thajagani akoi masi sigumba khudong chadaba natraga khudong thiba khara thengnaraga hangadaba na te maramdi juko haibase akoi gi isagi oijaba lamni adventure sports.
Manipur People Party MPP President O Jugendro has refuted claims made by one supposedly retired member of the party on media yesterday that the party will not contest in the upcoming Lok Sabha election. The party president announced that the party will contest from both inner and outer constituency in the upcoming election. Speaking to media at MPP office today, O Jugendro asserted that resolving issues of the state cannot be possible without the involvement of the regional party. Stating that representatives of national parties await approval of party heads in Delhi in the wake of any issues facing the state, Jugendro assured that MPP will counter issues of the state unlike the national parties. Jugendro appealed to support MPP candidates in winning the election.
Decision-making body party is here. Amtang hinkatnanaba honaba matamda tangai phadana outer amasung inner Manipur parliamentary constituency animakchi thadokpa tangai phade haibasi akoi lorokpa phiremne masida kanagumba party degi tanthokhraba mioi amana koigi election thadu oiga na haibadu yamna mathong morong khangdaba mak pendabagi pangai haijabani madu akoina party na thawoina lobo leite mana hairakuduna karigumba party da samamnaba aidi miyam da samamnaba ma phawon dabadi natti haibasi koi phawi party is.
Veteran politician Okram Joy, who had retired from politics, is having second thoughts. The veteran politician is reportedly joining the Congress party on December 3. Speaking to media at the veteran politician's residence in Kakwa today, Okram Joy intimated that he decided to come back to politics out of concerns at the undemocratic governance of the BJP-led state and central governments. He confirmed that he is joining politics once again as per the desire of people in his constituency. Okram Joy alleged Narendra Modi-led BJP government of threatening democracy in the country, including Manipur. He criticized the Prime Minister for failing to address the grievances of the state during Manipur University crisis, despite his claims to address woes of the public on his Man Ki Baat program. He maintained that the High Court of Manipur finally intervened and restored normalcy in Manipur University when Musu Muta Musa CSOs, people of Langthapal constituency, residents in and around MU and people of the state persisted for resolving the university crisis to save students' career life. Okram Joy appreciated Governor and all those actively involved for restoring normalcy in the university.
University ki wathok tagi horaga ayak raanti dagi tokthokre BJP ki manga kanba sinda lairaba praja gi nena lauraga ngasi di Bharat ki lairaba praja puna hingbang amdaba gi hahakar laurakpa Pravesh Janam haiba uribok tagi nupa ama ngasi dagi tha khar gi mang da UP da mangre CBI da sinabiyo haido hujbabu sinadri Manipur praja harot ki acho state ki sanga gi thak te handana koi leiri sathari ba sasona se masida raanti dagi tuoga phamdana leithok chum dena khali Manipur gi amasung Bharat Brasa gi oiri ba fiam se masi kandabagi aina kanna yeknaramba Congress party da sangaga aikoi ngasi leiri ba BJP ki sason gi oiri ba fiam se thengno haina kendagi narol halol aibu nungsi ba kangmuna haibadagi ya Congress da join tawrani haina ai mayam go loktok jari yaudaiba politics se pham paine bagi election lep na bagi ngakta natte party na hairakpa yathangduma ai yagani phamgi damakta raanti torokte aigi punsida mantri oiba yaba tanja mayam lakre university gi wathoktagi horaga ayak raanti dagi tokthok.
Newly elected President of Committee of Civil Societies Kanglei Park CCSK Manipur, Jitendra Ningomba, has called for sharing of opinions from inhabitants of the state to bring forward held at Youth Hostel in Kuman Lampak today. Stating that various communities inhabit the state, Jitendra called for an inclusive governance considering the views and opinions of all the inhabiting communities and not just the general category. Jitendra Ningomba, Loitongbam Dollar, Irom Sobasini Laima, El Jayanta and K. Malem were inducted as President, General Secretary, Finance Secretary, Organization Secretary and Media and Publicity Secretary of CCSK today.
Hana mamangda sathajarpa tongan ba lebak sigi khunai sigi oiba khoigi thogdo wathuk mayamda yamna choburo logjarakpa adugumna handaksu ai sana president oiraga Committee of Civil Society Kanglei Park na Manipur da leiriba tongan ba frup sing se amaga yamna nungsi sana ba khoigi English ta hergi unity and integrity haitare masida yamna emphasis piraga thabuk togjagani aduna tongan ba ethnic group mayam mamna punsilaga sema Manipur se aikhoi we are one haibase aikoi amakaktini haiba asiga mari leinana equal development unity and integrity da thabuk togjagani.
The residents of 1 Irom Jibon Kumar at Kwaketel Morangpurel under Singjamai police station causing panic to the local residents today. The fire was suspected to be triggered by an electric short circuit. A team of Manipur Fire Services took swift action and extinguished the fire, preventing casualty and huge loss of properties. However, some household items stored in the backyard of the house where the fire broke out were damaged. No family members were present in the house when the fire broke past noon today. Locals tried to put off the fire until the arrival of the firefighters. Unidentified miscreants set on fire stacks of paddy kept for drying in the sun at Charangpat in Thaubal district today. The destroyed paddy belonged to one Thokcho Mokendro from Charangpat Mamang Laikai. Locals and Thaubal Fire Service tried to extinguish the fire but was in vain. Speaking to media, the distraught wife of Thokcho Mokendro expressed sadness at the loss. Secretary of Charangpat Development Organization S. Bidya Kumar urged the government to take legal actions against the culprits. Now moving ahead, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the latest hunting spree of the unidentified predator. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Hunting spree of the unidentified predator continues as 23 ducklings were yet again found dead in a mysterious circumstances this morning at the residence of one Haireng Khongja Haisnam in Kwaketel, Haino Khongnembi. The owner intimated media that the incident came to light upon checking the unusually quiet duck pen around 5 a.m. He also said that out of the 30 ducklings, 23 ducklings were killed in similar manner as in other recent killings by the unknown predator, and 7 ducklings remain untraceable. He expressed shock that the iron net and mat enclosing the duck pen were left undisturbed. Expressing woes at the loss upon which his livelihood depends, Haireng Khongja expressed a desire for the relevant authority to take up necessary measures without further delay, asking the government if it will bear all responsibility if in case the predator starts attacking humans. He also appeals not to upload any fake news about the predator on social media, creating fear psychosis among the people.
Lengang nasu kain moi kharsu mating di pangbigadabani nganu loiba je loiba ji koi lo bu su yori ko ai gi sidi yam bu yam dri the government service to the ma mo hing bangam na bu lambi da sanction narak pani masida adu yam na kan koi gi sai bi bangang bi gi mohta mating du khraga pir ga noi mangri du kam kya mangre koi sikhai di mating pang ga noi amon hoduk na bu hona roi na pibi na phai ada masi mi da attack to ra ga di madusu madui dai to si kanan lo du no si asi baduna asok baduna du mangje be phibum de leip tar ga di masi kari hai do noi su haibam di khangdre ko sarkar su hoti hona biram gani moina su khandi khalam gani adu makoi makta thu kan da khangi hai bi phibum du lak ka dori bra adu moi da thok ngai dori bra lengang na su kai moi na khar su mating di pangbi.
Impact News also came across chickens killed in similar manner at Khabam Lamkhai of Imphal East. The dead chickens were lying inside as well as outside the chicken coop. Owner of the fowls, Oinam Ongbi Suparani, intimated that some of her chickens were found dead likewise few days ago and today before dawn. Upon checking the chicken coop, at loud barkings of local dogs, she came across her dead chickens.
Dang pung ani ma khai ta do minute tarawa ningai jida jen train thoya ma jungrang hapirame aduga masigi maramda Facebook kai da thakana bajida angang gi kai gi pau ta yawadu da adu ki da na ai chi pau ja ha pijawani gomen gi mai kai da ju khara jeng biyo dang pung ani ma khai ta do minute tarawa ningai jida jen train thoya ma jungrang hapirame
Central Forest Division Mantripukri in a press release informed that investigations into the recent mysterious deaths of domesticated livestock are underway by officials of the Forest Department and scientists of Wildlife Institute of India, Dehradun. People are notified to contact mobile number 945-896-3522 in the event of such incident. The Forest Division also urged people of the state not to spread false rumors on social media. Chief Conservator of Forest, Wildlife and Chief Wildlife Warden, Government of Manipur, in a press release also appealed fowl owners to light surroundings of duck pens and chicken coops to prevent the fowls falling prey to the unidentified predator. In the event of emergency, people can call the following helpline numbers. For Thoubal District, contact number is 878-770-1163. For Bishnupur District, contact 981-816-3059, 872-981-7270, 986-370-1780. And for Imphal East and Imphal West Districts, contact mobile numbers number 945-896-3522. For Chorchandpur District, contact 811-997-9537. And for Kangpokpi District, mobile number is 943-689-4794. Nupilal Memorial Association has launched the 79th Nupilal Celebration Month at the head office of Nupilal Memorial Association in Tera Market today. Speaking to media, steering committee secretary of the association, Longjamba Meitei, stated that Nupilal was recognized as a freedom struggle by the Indian government on March 3 of 1973, stating that 3 years after granting the recognition, the Indian government cancelled the recognition on September 22, 1976. Longjamba stressed the need to preserve the history of Nupilal. Floral tributes were paid at the portraits of brave Manipuri women who took part in the Women's War on the occasion.
Matam madugi Nupilangi Ninka Tamnabugidamte Imasing Adun Hokiba Tabum Tara Marini Chongnakiba Nupilan Ado Adubu Karigidamukta I could recognition Tauram Miharga Kakibano Habasimasi I could Miam Punna Pap Taminaba Kaminaba Warishing Adu Monkey the Nabidamuta Tungi generation Kayada Warishing a Silisang Sina Lihonaba Namnabugidamukta Haidanakuna Tabum Sumnaki Adun Pilan Singatoramasi Punk.
Internal Quality Assurance Cell CI College Bishnupur has organized a one-day seminar on assessment and accreditation of HEIs under NAC today. Moirang College's Associate Professor Dr. Y. Modhu, CI College's HOD Sobita and Principal of CI College Dr. M. Mangi attended the seminar. Speaking on the occasion, NAAC Coordinator M. Sarat Kumar stated that the seminar was organized to enlighten the teachers of the college regarding NAAC guidelines for better academic atmosphere in the college. Film Forum Manipur in a press release informed that Film Forum Manipur and consultant body of the forum AMFI-MPA have extended entry for film censoring till December 31st during a joint meeting held on November 30. It also directed cinema hall owners to take down films including previewed films which are yet to be censored before December 31st. A greet and meet program for Bangladeshi and Manipuri Meiteis was organized at R.K. Sanatomi Devi of Education Asha Jinnah Complex, North AOC today. Convener of Manipuri Cultural Complex Bangladesh, Jayanta, and Member Secretary of Manipuri Cultural Complex Bangladesh, Rabi Kirom Elias Rajes took part in the event. Speakers in the event gave insights on the socio-economic status, source of earning, and political and cultural condition of Manipuris in Bangladesh. The Bangladeshi Meiteis came to Imphal to attend the Manipur Sangai Festival, which concluded yesterday. U.S. Ambassador Kenneth I. Juster interacted with members of Business Excellence Group Manipur at Hotels Classic Grand in Chingmerong yesterday. The state guest of the Sangai Festival held a long discussion with members of BEG on the prospects and hindrances of entrepreneurship, human rights violations and lack of employment opportunities for educated youths in the state, amongst others. Kenneth I. Juster expressed that he is impressed by the Sangai Festival and the initiative of Business Excellence Group in bringing forth entrepreneurship in the state. Now the sports news. People accorded warm welcome to gold medalist of All India Inter-University Women's Weightlifting Championship Famdom Rani Bala upon her arrival at Imphal International Airport today. Rani Bala bagged the gold medal for lifting altogether 176 kg, comprising of 78 kg in snatch and 98 kg in clean and jerk event of the championship held at Anagarjuna University under the aegis of Association of Indian Universities.
Simai no pirang mane abje sum thaja ba ingon thaja ba lag jade hujik fawaina si gi standard da chanaba ngam je indom jagi mapal na ne IWN gina standard chanai ai hora from the NYTC okram suthek da ge hore or Manipur gi oina 2004 da gina 2011 bok Manipur gi oina chanarami anu 2012 ta gi continue Indian Railway da oina chanajare simai no pirang mane abje.
People accorded warm welcome to Best Women Player 2017 awardee Yumnam Kamala upon her arrival in Imphal International Airport today. All India Football Federation conferred the awards to the 26-year-old footballer in July this year. It may be mentioned that Kamala is working as a clerk in Indian Railways and she was coming back home from Myanmar after playing a qualifying match for Tokyo Olympics 2020. Kamala is the daughter of Yumnam Khamba and late Yumnam Ongbi Jamini from Sekmai. She is right now residing in Poire Kongjil Mayailekai with her aunt Laishram Sumati. The 52nd Mr. Manipur and the 7th Mr. Khamba Manipur will be held at Gandhi Memorial Hall from 10 a.m. tomorrow. A press meet was held prior to the competition at All Manipur Bodybuilders Association office, Kumanlampak Sports Complex today. Padma Shri Awardee Arjuna Awardee, Indian Bodybuilders Federation President and Mr. Universe Premchand Degra, IBBF General Secretary Chetan M. Patare, Federation Treasurer Ramesh Kumar Swamy and executive members of AMBBA attended the press meet. 212 bodybuilders from 62 units of the state will be competing in 7 different events under 22 weight categories in the bodybuilding championship. First position of the championship in senior category will be awarded 1 lakh rupees and 50,000 rupees to the first position holder in junior category. 15,000 rupees will be awarded to the winner in master category. 15,000 rupees will be awarded to the winner of women's bodybuilding category. 10,000 rupees each will be awarded to winners in physically challenged, men's fitness and women's fitness categories. The event is being sponsored by eminent private firms of the state.
मैं एक और रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूँगा इन बच्चों को भी कि हार्ड वर्क जो है वो आपके अंदर होनी चाहिए, नेशनलिटी की फीलिंग आपके अंदर होनी चाहिए और डिसिप्लिन, मेजर इज द डिसिप्लिन, वो आपके बीच में होना चाहिए। ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको कुछ भी हो जो बोलेंगे या कैसे भी बोल देंगे, ये चीज़ होनी चाहिए, लेकिन डिसिप्लिन मस्ट है कंट्री के लिए। क्योंकि आपका ये नहीं, ये मत सोचो जैसे आप बाहर जा रहे हैं कि हम अपने लिए कर रहे हैं, नहीं, अपने लिए नहीं, आप कंट्री के लिए कर रहे हैं। हम आपके साथ हैं क्योंकि पूरा हिंदुस्तान आपके साथ रहेगा, लेकिन उसकी आधार के ऊपर आपने पूरा डिसिप्लिन, पूरी आपने जो जैसे स्टेज के ऊपर भी आपने जाना है, एक डायनेमिक जैसे जब लॉइंग जाता है ऐसे जाना है, कभी भी नर्वस नहीं होना।
Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur joins in observing World AIDS Day. Governor Dr. Najma Abdullah urges everyone to get HIV status checked. Deplorable Imphal Yaripok Road brings inconveniences to residents. Irate locals block the road indefinitely until repaired. MMTL lambasts government for not constructing proper route to Zuko Valley despite repeated pleas since 1985. 8 jailed trekkers released yesterday. Manipur People's Party declares two failed candidates in both parliamentary constituencies in the upcoming 2019 Lok Sabha election. Veteran politician Okram Joy announces comeback, all set to join Congress party on December 3. And a mysterious killing of domesticated fowls by unidentified predator continues. Latest hunting spree spotted at Kwakaitel and Khabam Lamkhai.